beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing hair hacks you have never seen before or that will change your life, hopefully. I have done so many hair hack videos before and you guys always seem to love them. I will link all my other ones down below for you guys to go binge watch those ones. There's some fun hairstyles, there's some fun hair tricks, ways to grow your hair, keep your hair healthy. I have it all covered. So if you guys like this and want a part 2, thumbs up so I know. And before I jump into it, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to join the Nicolettes fam jam, because we are so close to getting our family to 700,000. And also, as always, please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. And as always, become a part of my fam jam over on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. I will have that always linked down below. Let me know what's your favorite hairstyle to do on yourself. I'm curious to know, but let's jump into it. First, I'm going to go over a few hacks on how to fix some of those hair problems. So if you guys are looking to grow your hair super quick, all you have to do is take your shampoo, about 2 tablespoons of your shampoo, and then add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice into it, and your hair will grow so much faster if you do this. The next one is for getting rid of any hair static. So a hack to get rid of that is take 1 teaspoon of your shampoo and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it all together, put it into your hair, and this really helps with hair static. And lastly, to restore your hair and just give it more life, all you have to do is take about 2 tablespoons of your shampoo plus 1 teaspoon of rose water, and this is really going to help restore any damaged hair that you may have. Now I'm going to show you an easy and quick way to do a hairstyle that's no heat, especially if you're trying to grow your hair. No heat is the way to go. So all I did is I brushed out my hair, of course, and then I took about 2 inches or 1.5 inches of hair in the front, and you're just going to make a braid. When you're making your braid, you're going to also pull it kind of towards the back because we are going to be putting 2 braids to the back. So once I did this, I just took a little elastic band and I put it on the end, and I did the exact same thing on the other side. And once you have your 2 braids, you're going to do kind of like a half up, half down thing. You're just gonna take the 2 braids and then tie them both together. And the cool thing about this hairstyle is the next part, and you're gonna take about 1.5 inches of hair on each side and flip it through the braid, and this is just gonna give it a cool different look. It's a super simple hairstyle that you can wear to work, you can wear to school, anywhere, and you use no heat, which is honestly such a plus, and it takes under a couple minutes to do. This next hack is to beat greasy hair and also give your hair some volume. All you have to do is take some baby powder, except this time you're going to apply it right on the scalp as opposed to the hair. So I just applied it on the areas that were greasy and right on the scalp itself. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a hair dryer to let it kind of soak into your scalp. I'm telling you, this works so much better than just using the baby powder on its own or just using dry shampoo. It really gets rid of any grease, and you're just gonna zhuzh it into your hair, and you're gonna have so much volume. I swear by this, and I definitely recommend trying this one out. This next hack is how to get those perfect curls with just a straightening iron, and I'm telling you guys, it's super simple. All you have to do is take your strand of hair and you're going to flip the piece over the straightener while flipping the straightener with your hand, and all you do is hold that piece going straight down, and it gives you the prettiest beachy waves. It is also super simple to do as opposed to wrapping all your hair around the straightening wand. This is way simpler to do, it takes way less time, and you will always get such perfect curls on both sides, because I know when I curl my hair, there's always one side that just does not look good, and this is gonna really help, and it's really easy. Next time you wanna curl your hair and you don't have a wand, or you just want these kind of beachy waves, look, I definitely recommend taking out your straightener, and this is what it completely looks like. As you guys can tell, it took super quick to do, and it just gives you the nicest curls as well. An easy way to spice up your hair and color your hair is take any of your lipsticks. I just took a blue one, a purple one, and a pink one, but I ended up going more with the blue and purple. I just loved how it looked on my brunette hair, but honestly, this would look so good on blondes as well. And all I did is I just colored my hair. I've used blush as a trick, but I honestly loved the lipstick trick. So if you ever kind of want to spice up your hair and do something fun, I would definitely recommend this. And all I did, as always, is you have to set set it with hairspray, and I definitely recommend doing this with the shirt that you're not going out with. So I just wore this black t-shirt when I was applying it, and then I switched into my gray t-shirt. This is just a really great way to add those cool funky colors without permanently dyeing your hair. So I definitely recommend trying this out. Unicorn hair goals. I even think this hairstyle looks super cute when you throw your hair up in a bun and you can just see the colors on your bun. So this next hair hack is for these hair ties, which are actually better for your hair because they don't pull on your hair and they don't leave a crease, but sometimes they lose its shape. So if that ever happens, all you have to do is take some boiling hot water, throw it in, and it will start shrinking to the shape that it was. As you guys can see, it turned so much smaller after leaving it into the water for a few minutes. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button to join the Nicolette's Fam Jam. So your girl uploads every other day here on my channel. And as well as hit that bell notification so you're notified every single time I upload a video like this. But that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!